On Wednesday, August 24th, Nebraska Extension will be hosting the 23rd annual open house at the Goodmanson Sandhills Laboratory and Wagon Hammer Education Center near Whitman. This event will include demonstrations and commercial exhibits. Guests can visit those at their leisure throughout the day. This event will also feature 2 separate breakout sessions on the lab's beef and range research updates, as well as market updates from frequent Market Journal guest Elliot Dennis. In addition, event organizers say there will be plenty of information that will be beneficial to cattle producers around Nebraska and surrounding regions.
We'll have speakers on marketing, weather conditions or long-term weather forecasts, how to manage red cedars. Red cedar is becoming a bigger issue in Nebraska, in areas of Nebraska that looking at methods, how can we control the invasion of red cedar? Another presentation, we'll have an invited speaker from Oklahoma State come in and talk about post-fire grazing. You know, fire has been a big impact on a lot of our producers this year. There's been a lot of fires across the state, and so a lot of this talk will be focused on, you know, what should I do or how do I manage post-fire. Another big topic will be in the sustainability field is what we're doing as Nebraska and UNL on carbon footprint and beef production systems. And so that's usually a hot topic right now. And Galen Erickson will come and talk about the research they're doing in Lincoln and you know, what the future looks like for UNL in that area.
In an ever-changing world, it's important to keep up to date on new trends and challenges facing the cattle industry. While this open house is an opportunity for producers to get the latest and greatest information available, it also serves as an opportunity for producers to get valuable insight on current events and strategies for best management.
You know, providing information to the needs of our producers. And so there's, you know, this year, like the last few years, have had a lot of issues of drought, of fire, and then, you know, the environmental pressures as well, as we're getting more and more pressure from environmental groups and et cetera on how we're managing beef cows and whether or not we should be managing beef cows in our systems. And so that's the overall goal, is just sustainability of our producers, of how can we provide them information to remain and be sustainable and profitable. Is we'll have 200 plus people there in person and a lot of interaction between producers, and so that peer on peer interaction is very important, and getting to talk to, you know, someone that you haven't seen in a while, and you know what their experience and what their, you know, some of the changes in their management that they've done because of that, and that's also important, is that interaction from that side. And so, you know, it's a big deal, is us providing them the opportunity or providing the knowledge base to help them, and also just that interaction that they're going to get with other producers, other faculty members, etc.
Again, the open house will take place on August 24th from 8 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. That's in Mountain Daylight Time. Participants of the open house are requested to RSVP for the event by August 17th to ensure a lunch will be provided for you. If you're interested, you can register online or over the phone by dialing 308-696-6700. We've also posted a link to the registration along with this story on the Market Journal website.